is Baguio to Cabala Union and Agoo. We will visit the grape farm of Cabal, and we will do grape picking, which is going to be a new experience for us. And we will also visit Bong Kayambiang's Carinderia, Baguio's most famous photographer, and experience his signature dinengdeng, which he uses organic vegetables straight from the farm and then straight to his kitchen. Okay, so Imelda would present the Carinderia of Bong Kayambiang. Ladies and gentlemen, Imelda.
Okay, I'm back again. Gutom ulit kayo? Punta ulit tayo sa restaurant ni Manong Bong Kayambiang. For sure, Sir Art here know Manong Bong Kayambiang. Na-Ryan Kayambiang at Bong Kayambiang. Sino ba itong taong to? Siya yung famous photographer ng Baguio City for almost 20 years. Kaya pumunta siya ng Agoo, doon na siya nag-continue ng business niya o nag-start ng business niya. At alam niya ang mga taga-Baguio, papunta't paroon, gusto niya mag-drop by ang mga taga-Baguio sa kanyang munting karinderya. Kaya ang sabi ni Sir, maganda doon sa area niya kasi nakapunta ako doon last week. Talagang sinearch ko rin kung saan siya kasi it's a pride for him na may dumadalaw na taga-Baguio. Kasi yung mga niluluto niya doon, dinengdeng, mga Baguio vegetable, may magbababa, and that is very famous sa mga taga-Baguio. As what I've said, naging photographer siya ng Baguio ng 16 years, I think. Kaya lang, kala niya nakalimutan na siya. That is one way also of helping a friend. Kaya nung pinuntahan namin siya, nakita ko yung garden niya. Ang ganda ng garden niya kasi tanim niya doon, talong, saluyot, okra, kaya yung tinatawag niya from garden to kitchen. Iba lang, Manong Bong, kaya kopi, dinagdag, at buras sa sunadya yun. And then, he will cook it. And even, yung tinatawag nating dinigdig, pinakbet, doon niya na iluluto. Kaya, on my part, as a personal friend of Manong Bong Kayambiang, for sure we will be very, very happy na na-promote ko ito. But then, lahat ng taga-Baguio doon, inaantay na. So, tayo mga full-blooded Baguio City, we need to pass by there. In his Carinderia. Total, yung way naman namin, papunta na kami doon sa next destination namin, dropping by and saying hi and hello means so much to a friend. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, that is our tour with Bong Kayambiang's restaurant. Now we go back to the great farm to experience grape picking. Hindi lang strawberry picking sa La Trinidad. Diba? Kailangan mag-grape picking naman tayo. Okay, so actually I experienced one time grape picking sa Cabala Union, and it's in Cabal where you can find the best plantations of grapes, whether they be the red grapes or the green grapes. However, yung anak, they are not seedless. They are with seeds. Okay? It is also, you go to the farm, you pick your grapes, then you have it kiloed, and then from there on, you pay what you harvest. Same like sa strawberry farm. Okay? So, if you want to visit a grape farm in La Union, go to Cabala Union. It is just close to Agoo and Aringay. Okay? That is day one of our 7-day tour, and then we are going to cut again, and we are going now to our day 2, which we will be proceeding to Bawang. Okay, Bawang, of which we are going to spend 2 days, day 2 and 3, and we will enjoy the beach. Siyempre, after all those travel, mag-beach naman. We will enjoy the sun, sea. We will enjoy the sun, sea, and the sun, sand, and sea at the sea, sun, sand, and sea resort. Okay. Okay, so fast forward, day 4 na tayo. Yeah. From Bawang na Union, after 2 days of spending our vacation, we will now be proceeding to one of the most visited cities north of Manila, northern part of the Philippines, Region 1, which is the historic and heritage city of Vigan. sure all of you know about Bigan, the city of Bigan. We will be visiting the St. Paul Cathedral, Calle Isologo, the Bigan City Hall, and the Plaza Sunset. And we will also do a walking tour to Calle Isologo and also visit Norley's Heritage Restaurant, owned by Ma'am Norley. She owns the Norley Heritage Restaurant. We will experience their special empanada, their bagnet, their pinakbet with bagnet, their inimpeng, their longganisa, which are all authentic Ilocano dishes. Okay? So, let's go. Nasa Bigan na tayo. Okay? Okay. Ma'am Norley will present to us some dishes about Bigan culture.
Welcome to Bigan Group 5. Since our group is a free willy group, we can sing, we can dance, and we can we can chant. For me, I welcome my visitors by singing. Welcome to Norley's Heritage and Restaurant. We have bagnet, pinakbet, longganisa, and empanada. Just sit down, eat and relax, sure you will not regret. Welcome to my restaurant. And to explain what is bagnet, I'm going to give it to Mami.
Okay, we are here at the Norley's Restaurant here in Ilocos. So one of the famous dish in Ilocos is bagnet. In Kanaoy, they call it bagnet. Is that correct? Yeah, bagnet. But in Ilocos, they call that bagnet in Ilocano. So bagnet is the belly of the pig. So yung bagnet po, hindi ho basta-basta parte ng baboy. It should be the belly. Hindi pwede yung paa, hindi pwede, basta ano yung part ng baboy, hindi pwede yung yung best na bagnet po is the belly part of the pig. Okay, so they get the belly of the pig and then they boil it. Okay, they boil it, they mix it with just a little bit of salt, and then they fry it. So, in cooking bagnet, we have to, kailangan po natin ng maraming oil for us to fry the bagnet. So, we fry it until it becomes crispy. So, makikita mo yung pagkaluto niya, is golden brown. And then crispy will become crispy. So, when you bite the bagnet, the best bagnet of Ilocos region, matitikman mo yung crunchy, yung parang yung you feel it the crispiness of the bagnet. And of course, we have to pair that with soy sauce, and of course, tayong mga taga-Cordillera, hindi maaalis yung sili. So the soy sauce we can put in the sili is the best pair of the sausawan po ng bagnet. That's the bagnet of Ilocos. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Next presenter will be our Makibento ulit, puro pagkain.
Para pagkain. Okay. Dahil nandito tayo sa lugar ng mga Ilocano, may joke lang. Sabi nila, apay na kayo mga Ilocano, nagsasao kayo, kala kayo kalde. Ang sabi, ame. And, tara, kasi nandito tayo sa Kailocan dyan, meron silang cheer dito. Okay, sarap. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Binting, binting, salapay, piso. Ow! Binting, binting, salapi, piso. Ah! Okay, yan yung kanilang chilling pag meron silang instant. Ano itong empanada food na ano? After buko pie, batil patong, doon sa karinderya ni Manong Bong, meron pa siyang pa-take out. Bibigay ko raw kay Art mamaya. Art, itong pa-take out ni Manong, kasi kilala ka niya eh. He knows you personally. Hinahanap ka niya, pero sabi ko hindi ka namin katin. So ano naman itong empanada? Ito ang famous sa Bigan. Ang empanada. Pag merong flower festival, dyan sa Session Road, yan din yung hinahanap ng mga taga-Baguio. Okay, this empanada, popular street food ng Bigan. One of the standout feature of Bigan empanada is a meat. Itong empanada ito, mamili ka if it is a chicken, beef, or pork. Meron siyang stuffing na vegetable, oil, garlic, potato, carrot, seasoning salt, ground pork, black pepper. What is empanada dish without a couple of these basic ingredients? Masarap. Pag makita nyo, gusto nyo na lang manood muna kasi very expert silang gumawa. Meron, ang gamit lang nila doon panghati, plato. I-form nila, lagyan nila, tapos i-deep fry nila. Ang napakasarap doon is very crispy yung kanyang balat, yung ating empanada. Ayan, nagutom na ako, kaya bibigay ko ulit kay sir, kasi malapit na kaming umuwi.
Malapit na ito umuwi after 11 days tour, ha? So, ang sarap, puro pagkain na naman. Puro, ano na yung sabi mo, mga fruits, ang dami-dami pinuntahan natin, from Kalinga, Boto, from Baguio, Boto, Balinga, to Nueva Vizcaya, all food. After all, this seminar workshop is about Filipino food, Filipino cuisine, and it's about Filipino culinary. Okay, so cut. We go to our last day of tour and proceed to our. Of course, from Bigan City, we go now to Ilocos Norte or Luwak City, ang province ng mga Marqueses. Ilocos Norte or Luwak is also one of the most famous tourist destinations north of Manila. Okay. Luwak and Bigan are found in Region 1. Sa Region 1 sila. Okay, so we are going to Ilocos Norte for an overnight stay, and we will be staying at the Ilocos Norte Vacation Hotel. We have already booked, and we will be checking in an hour, in 2 hours when we travel from Bigan to Ilocos Norte. Okay, after 2 hours of travel, fast forward, nasa Luwak. So we will be checking in, and the following day, day 7, the end will be the end of tour. Okay, now, how will we travel back to Baguio? Relying on Luwak. We were able to talk with Governor Charles Singson, and hiniram namin yung isang jet plane niya. Hinahiram sa amin yung jet niya. So, we will take the bus from Luwak to Baguio, but we will take jet plane, ibang cabin dahil hinahiram sa amin. So, we will take, ano naman, ay kung naman, kailan nililin. Okay. And bakit namin nakuha jet plane ni Charles Simpson? Prepare to the next play.
Ayan, bumabalik po ulit ako dahil nandun tayo sa Marqueses, sabi nila, doon daw crucify si Jesus. Kasi doon sa cross ni Jesus, Ilocos Norte, Region 1. Pero, kidding aside, tumawag kasi si Senator Amy Marcos. Sabi niya, meron daw kayong 5 dyan na nag-tour. Meron ka pangalan dyan ng mama ko. Sabi niya, ay, proud ako. I am always proud of my name. Sabi niya, kapangalan niya ng mama ko, meron akong freebie. Kung may kapangalan dyan ng mama ko, meron kayong free ride plane going back to Luwakan Airport. Palakpakan naman natin yun, no? Kaya gusto ako na ito yung pinangalan sa akin ng aking daddy, no? Kaya tinawagan niya agad si Governor Simpson, sabi niya, i-book mo agad dyan, and then para makauwi sila agad sa Baguio. At may report nila ang ating travel with the group, and to Ma'am and to Ma'am Shah. I'm grateful na sumama kayo sa trip namin. I hope na enjoy kayo, na busog kayo, and come again, refer mga guests natin na gustong mag-travel. Okay?
Okay. In addendum to that, the reason why we were able to borrow a plane for our trip to Baguio is that we promoted the tourist destinations of Ilocos Norte and Vigan City, and with that, the people of Ilocos Norte and Vigan were so grateful about that. That is why, as a prize, binagyo lang sa amin. Jet plane siya. Since everybody, that ends now the presentation of group number 5, and we have a closing remark.
Before we're going to close, I'm going to sing and you follow me. Everybody will sing. Dong dongay si dong ilay en sinali domay. Dong dong ay si dong ilay. Okay, you follow. Dong dongay si dong ilay en sinali domay. Dong dong ay si dong ilay. That's our final song, group 5.
Okay, everybody, that was our presentation. I hope that all of you enjoyed our presentation. We were group number 5, and we were the third presenter.